How to fix if can't receive text messages on Samsung A17. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume down button. At the time, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app. Click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so if you want to fix this problem, so last solution is reset network settings. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management and click on reset. Click on reset mobile network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.